And yes, I have to do this. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is my old van converted into a camper, and it's something where I'm always trying to stay organized. So today we are going to take a look at the Roadie camping organizer. Looking forward to using this in the van. The Roadie camping organizer comes to you just like this, nice and compact, and it has a couple carry handles. You're going to get a set of these tent poles just like you're putting up a little tent like you're used to already. Right there's your initial setup. Now, it probably took me a little bit longer to put together because this was my first time, but this is an impressive little camping tent organizer. Okay, so the front is obviously zippered. On the inside, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 storage compartments. These are all fairly sturdy. You're not going to be able to put super heavy stuff in there, but shoes, clothes, some cooking supplies, things like that, this would be ideal. The bottom is off the ground, so I think that is important. It's not going to be sitting on the ground. I think you're going to really be surprised at how much stuff you actually can store in this thing. I actually am surprised I can get so much stuff in there and it remains nice and sturdy. Down at the end of the foot poles are designed in such a way where this can be either freestanding, or you could probably put a little stake in the ground if you're worried about wind or something like that, and stake it down with no problem, no issues. So if I'm camping somewhere and I've got some of my stuff stored in here, I don't think I'm going to worry about having any issues with it. It's well constructed and definitely a way to store your extra stuff around a campsite. And yes, I have to do this. All right, let's see how we did. See if everything's dry. Right down here at the bottom, there is a Velcro sticker right here, and it kind of takes the bottom flap and attaches it to this panel. So I got a little bit of moisture right here, and everything else is dry. I do have a little bit of splashback right there, but that is it. Let me also state this, that was kind of an extreme test. It's not really made to be outside, you know, in the weather. It's called a tent organizer. So if I were camping in my van, I would have it probably under my awning. And if I were in my tent, I would have this organizer most likely inside my tent. But I did want to do a rain test. Well, I'm giving the Roadie camping organizer a big thumbs up. I think it's going to be perfect for the way I'm going to use it in my camping van. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found the video helpful.